4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi folks, Supervisor George Holman, and we're at the ribbon cutting at Street Community Center for all of our new exercise equipment. We've replaced virtually all the equipment here at Street School and our other community centers. We're actually have kind of refurbished the area as well, so really excited. It's a great upgrade for all of our residents. It's a really economical way for our residents and our seniors to be able to stay in shape, come work out. Way cheaper than gyms, within the area. So you can keep your gym, but you can also come here to our community centers and be able to use this equipment if you live within Clarkstown.
I'm Superintendent of Parks and Recreation, Matt Veronese here, and we're very excited about the opening of our new fitness equipment at Street Community Center, as well as Pascack Community Center, Congers Community Center, and we have some new stuff at Central Nyack Community Center also. They had a lot of updated equipment already there, so we just added a couple new pieces. A special thank you to Supervisor George Holman and our town board, who allowed us the opportunity to replace all this equipment. I wanted to also thank my recreation supervisor from Street Community Center, Steve Uhl, who spearheaded this for me. He has a background in physical fitness as well as being personal trainer. He came up with the plan of what equipment we wanted to use in each center. So really appreciative to Steve and of course all of our residents who have been taking advantage of the new equipment. So thank you to everybody, and we hope you enjoy the new equipment.
Hi everyone, my name's Steve Uhl. I'm a recreation supervisor with the town of Clarkstown. I just want to thank Mr. Holman and the town board and my superintendent Matt Veronese for entrusting me to put together all this new fitness equipment. We've replaced all the fitness equipment in all 4 of our community centers. We've also added a personal training studio at Zucker Park where we offer personal training one-on-one classes and group classes. We're going to be offering 24 classes a week, which is really good. We have a lot of senior citizens here and a lot of residents who will definitely benefit from this nice equipment, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Mike Graziano here, Town Councilman for Ward 2. We're here at Street School over here at the new gym center that we put up here. It's great. It's a great way to come out and work out, and the town is really working to help people out in an economical way to come and work out without going to a gym. It's a perfect brand new facility, all new equipment. I want to thank the supervisor for stewardship on getting this completed along with the town board. And come on down and work out. Look forward to seeing you.
Hey, I want to thank the supervisor for providing us with all this wonderful equipment, not only in this incredible gym, but in the senior gym across the hall. I want to thank Steve for all the help he's given me in my exercise routines, helping to keep me healthy without getting hurt. We all really appreciate this all so much. It makes such a big difference in our lives. A day like today, where you don't want to be walking outside, you come in here in a nice air-conditioned room and get on that treadmill, and it's just fantastic. So thank you, Town of Clarkstown and everybody else involved. We really, really appreciate it. Thank you for helping to keep us healthy.
So I want to thank Matt Veronese, our Superintendent of Parks and Rec, Steve Uhl, who's our personal trainer, who works within our Parks and Recreation Department on really kind of coordinating this effort. And I want to thank the town board for their support in being able to do this. It's yet another one of the upgrades that we're doing here in the town of Clarkstown.